Hill.City is your final destination. We want to thank you for including the 1880 train on your vacation itinerary. We hope you've enjoyed your ride and will come back and visit us again someday. Everyone will be required to exit the train. We will reboard at 1 o'clock to go back to Keystone. Reminder to stop and see the South Dakota State Railroad Museum. And to please stay seated until the train comes to a complete stop. Then you hear one whistle. At that time it will be safe to disembark. We ask that you please grab a hold of Brad's handle on the back of your seat, pull on it, and flip your seat so it's facing back towards Keystone for our return trip. We will be reboarding at 1 o'clock.